G'day guys, Rowan here from Burkholder Racing. Today we're going to be putting some remote res shock mounts in my Patrol. It's a 2002 GU Patrol TB48 manual, and as we can see, the older cable ties holding the remote reses on aren't too good anymore, so we're going to install some Superior Engineering remote res shock mounts. The first thing I've done is remove the cable ties holding the reservoirs on. Next thing is we need to remove this bolt and this bolt back here. So after you remove the two bolts, this plate will come off the top. Now if you do a lot of four-wheel driving like I used to, those bolts are going to be pretty tight and full of junk, so maybe use some penetrating spray of some kind. With the actual mounts, there is a left and right, or driver side, passenger side. Driver's side front has the dog leg off to the right hand side and sits up in there. The remote reservoir kit comes with supplied hose clamps and fit in through the bottom, up and around. Once they are installed, take your reservoir, slides through. Now I'm using Armada Extreme remote res shocks with a 2-inch reservoir, and that's job done. Nice solid mounted, no problem at all. As you can see, I have got a cable tie down here just to stop too much of the hose flexing around during full articulation. But I will do a time lapse on the passenger side front to give you guys a better understanding of how it goes together. For the rears, due to the fact I'm running a Brown & Davis long range tank, I'm going to mount rear mounts onto the tow bar bolts and have the reservoir up near the exhaust. So just using the two tow bar mounting bolts closest to the front of the car, sits up like that, and then just rattle it on. And same with the front, two hose clamps holding it on, and yeah, done deal. Got a fair bit of clearance between my exhaust. Unfortunately, it's just sitting on the exhaust mount, but I'll change that later on. But yeah, doesn't foul anywhere else. And as with the front, I'll do a time lapse for the other side. And about half an hour's worth of work. That's all four corners, remote res shocks, mounts, done deal. And of course you got to throw the stickers on for the extra kilowatts. Anyway, thanks for watching, catch you later.